This is an auto gate, an automatic gate made by Australia-based Aussie Gate that doesn't require any power, electric or solar to open and relies on the weight of your own vehicle to open it. So you don't have to deal with the hassle of having to get out of your vehicle to open the gate. Just drive over it and it will open for you. You will no longer have to worry about the effectiveness or the safety of your pets or livestock with a cattle guard. The auto gate stays vertical for 7 seconds after the weight has left the ramps and closes within 20 seconds. Equipped with a soft close safety feature, the gates will close gently with little weight and ensures that they won't injure anyone or any animal caught under the gate. You'll also have the option to open the auto gate easily and safely while on foot without the use of a vehicle. Manufactured using Australian steel, AutoGate comes in two versions, a farm automatic gate and a deluxe automatic gate with multiple sizes and price points. The AutoGate has a 30mm rust-proof powder-coated RHS frame and heavy-duty galvanized cattle grid-style gate lifting ramps. This feature is essential as livestock can't get in or out unless you want them to. This eliminates straying and grid-injured stock issues. AutoGate is a necessity for entries on slopes as it eliminates accidents caused by runaway vehicles. When you want to leave your property or go on holiday, the lifting of the lever disengages the outside gate ramp, therefore making the mechanism inoperable and able to be padlocked. AutoGate can be used with all types of vehicles, including trucks and trailers, and it comes in several colors to match your property. In minutes, AutoGate can be quickly and easily installed in a temporary position, therefore making it the perfect gate for the harvest paddock, traffic or any temporary and seasonal activities. AutoGate is easily installed anywhere and on all surfaces, including gravel, bitumen or turf in the city, town and country. It can be operated with a left or right opening. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.